In the second part of the video, we will learn about the second biological molecule, that is the proteins. They are made up of nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and sulfur, which means nitrogen and sulfur, they are the additional atoms in case of proteins as compared to the carbohydrates. So these elements, they are made up of amino acids, and amino acids, they bind together in a chain and they form a protein. When we have only 20 kinds of amino acids in our body, and when these amino acids, they arrange differently, means a sequence is changed and different kind of protein it is formed. If we look at the structure of amino acid, you will find that the basic structure remains the same, while the R group, it changes for every amino acid. And when number of amino acids, they join together in a chain, they form a protein. The functions of protein include making of new cells, enzymes, they are proteinaceous in nature, hair and fingernails, and hemoglobin, that is basically the globin part, it forms the soluble protein. Then test for protein, it includes Biuret's test, in which a solution, Biuret solution, it is added to the food sample, and it will be considered a positive test if the color changes from blue to purple or violet. Then third biological molecule we have is fats. Fats, they are also called as lipids, and they have the similar atoms as carbohydrates, which include carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Fats that are liquid at room temperature are called oils. Function of fats include insulation, energy, they provide much more amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates, waterproofing and protection around delicate organs, so that all the organs they do not get any injury or shock very easily. Then test for fats, what is done, a food sample, it is mixed with ethanol and shaken, and ethanol is added into an equal volume of cold water. So if there is a cloudy emulsion forming, it is a positive test.